guys, today we are doing just a video. I'm sorry that Hudson cannot be here, but we have Chase with us.
And another special guest,
Gabe.
Also check
come
out
on,
Chase.
Chase. Stop, Chase. So
I will cut you in half.
yes, we're just reviewing some stuff and just doing a vlog. You guys commented on it, and we're doing it. So, Chase, stop.
So guys, well, he's gonna turn it over to me. Well, today we are doing a review on the Nerf Doominator, which is part of the Zombie Attack series. Here, it is very cool because it has 4 rotating barrels, and it can shoot 5 bullets out of each barrel, and it just cocks back, shoot, ran out, turn, cock back, shoot. You turn it by using these 2, which is very cool. And of course, it takes these special elite darts. Well, they're not real. Well, not elite darts, but Zombie Strike darts. They're not special. You could just pretty much get them in like a 5-pack or something. But yeah, the new Doominator is really cool as well. It also has tactical rails. Oh yeah, and it has a built-in buttstock. That's nice, isn't it? So that's pretty cool. So now we'll turn it over to my friend.
Come over here,
Chase. And we are doing one on the Rip Shot today. It's not that good, but it does fire disc, and I cannot pull this back because it was not loaded. He's shooting an airsoft gun in my face.
That's not an airsoft gun. That is a cap gun.
And I want a review on these 2 cap guns. Well, so this thing is, it can hold about 1, 2, 3 bullets in there, and it can cock back. It has a little stock. It has this thing on the bottom. It's like a little pistol with this. So now I turn it over to Keegan. Really? What?
Oh.
Now I turn it over to Keegan.
We are doing a review on this thing. It is a cap gun. So, yeah, as you can see, there's nothing you can't shoot out of it. It like,
Hey!
hello!
Hello!
So you obviously have ammo, which you don't use, and just
Do I have to go?
some sort of laser thing or something.
Yeah.
And then, okay.
So,
Whoa. What's that? Wait, where? No, not that.
this is another cap gun. It does, but it has a thing through the middle.
Yeah.
As you can see.
And to get this thing out, you pull this little thing up here, this thing, backwards, and then you see this little thing right here, you open it up. So now you have a place to put your caps. And
one more review.
I had a cap thing, but it fell down on my bed. So obviously, you guys probably know what caps are. And yeah, this is a pretty cool gun. It has a stock, and it makes a big thing, and comes out with smoke. So it will come out these holes, and yeah, that's it for that.
One more review.
It's me again.
Doing just the fake sword. Just
2
more reviews. One more. Oh, he's gonna do one more, but it's just a fake sword. It's got this thing cut off. Then it's got foam. This foam is pretty nice. I'm turning over to Keegan.
Yeah, so guys, this is a BB gun. She's real BBs, not an airsoft gun, a BB gun. So yes, this is where the CO2 goes, right in here, and obviously it has a safety, and this is just good for taking out and
Not an
shooting.
artificial BB.
This is the mag. You
Not
click
an,
it.
not an artificial, made with all artificial flavors.
You click this in. Then when you have the CO2 in, ask your parents, because I tried to put a CO2 in and it just wasted out. This is the one. See, look, it just out. Yeah. So then.
Okay, then we have this. It's a Lego vet unit from Jurassic World, as you can see right there. And it has how do you say it? We'll open the doors in the back. It's pretty cool. So we're going to end the video there. I'll turn it back over to Keegan.
Yeah, guys. Hair in my mouth. Yeah, so like and subscribe today to join the squad potentially and join Team K09
K09.
today.
And we'll see you. Well, both of us. We'll see you later.
Bye.